Most men spend their entire lives chasing the girl, chasing the yes, chasing the validation. But here is the cold psychological truth. You cannot catch what is running from you. The harder you chase, the faster she disappears. What if you could flip the script? What if by changing 8 specific behaviors, you could shift the dynamic so she feels drawn to you instead? Today, we are decoding the magnetic reversal, how to stop being the hunter and start being the prize. Imagine this. A man sits on his couch, checking his phone every few seconds. He types a long message, deletes it, and finally sends a simple, "Hey." He just had a great first date. He's excited, too excited. He sends a, "Had a great time" text. No reply. The next morning he sends a meme. Still no reply. Now he's overthinking, wondering if he should call or apologize. What he doesn't realize is that he is projecting emotional neediness. He has become a solved puzzle. And in attraction, there is no curiosity in a puzzle that's already solved. Here's how to fix that. First, the scarcity of attention. Attention is the currency of attraction. If you give it away constantly, it loses value. Put your focus back on your life. Work, gym, hobbies, friends. When your attention is not always available, it becomes meaningful. Second, build mystery with social proof. Be socially active. Let her see you enjoying time with others. When people enjoy being around you, it naturally increases curiosity and interest. Third, emotional self-sufficiency. If your mood depends on whether she texts back, you create pressure. Instead, build a life that already feels fulfilling. Calm confidence is attractive because it feels secure. Fourth, micro-unpredictability. Small changes in routine keep interactions interesting. Break patterns, add light playfulness. Predictability often leads to boredom. Fifth, purpose over person. A man with a mission is magnetic. Prioritize your goals and growth. When she sees you driven by purpose, she feels inspired rather than pressured. Sixth, open-loop conversations. Don't share everything at once. Let conversations unfold. Leave a little curiosity so there's always something more to discover about you. Seventh, the willingness to walk away. This is about boundaries. If someone is disrespectful or uninterested, calmly step back. Self-respect is powerful and noticeable. Eighth, know your worth. Chasing is a habit. Being the prize is a mindset. When you live with confidence, purpose, and standards, you don't need to convince anyone of your value. This is not about playing games. It's about becoming a stronger, more grounded version of yourself. When you stop chasing and start living with intention, the right people naturally feel drawn to you. If you're ready to stop chasing and start leading, remind yourself, I am the prize.